what is a Route 53? So Amazon Route 53, a reliable way to route users to the internet applications. Route to the internet applications. So get started by registering a domain, configuring a DNS, or using other DNS. So documentation, guys. So what is Amazon Route 53? So Amazon Route 53 is a highly available and scalable domain naming system and web services. You can use Route 53 to perform three main functions in any combination of a domain registration. So domain registration, DNS routing, and health checking. So register your domains. Your website needs a name. Your website, I created a website. I want a name for the website. So as an example, such as example.com, Route 53 lets you to register the name of your website or a web application known as a domain name. What is that, guys? Domain name. So routing internet traffic to the resources of your domain. So when a user opens a web browser and enters your domain name, example.com, subdomain name example.in in the address bar, Route 53 helps to connect the browser with the help of website or applications. So website, our applications. So guys understood? So this is the Route 53. So for example, so register a domain. For example, register a domain. Enter the availability domain name. For example, tech world with Hari. So tech world with Hari. Let's search. So exact match. Tech world with Hari. Tech world with Hari.com. It is the exact match. So you see, guys. So Tech World with Hari.net, 15 USD per year, guys. So 15 USD per year. Tech World with Hari.io, 71 USD. So Tech World Technology World with Hari.com, 14. And Tech World with Hari.info, $25. And the Tech World Hari with .com, 14 USD per year. So okay, tech world with me, .com, biz, .net. For example, tech world with Hari.com. Select, guys. Proceed to checkout. Yeah, per year. So 14 USD. For example, 5 years, so 17 USD. 70 into next. Contact type, organization, first name, last name, email address, phone number, address information, so country. So we can provide everything, guys. So once we provided information, so the DNS techworld with Hari.com will create it, guys. So techworld.hari with created. Guys understood? Yeah. So once you create the domain name, right? So we can add the domain name. We can add that load balancer to the domain name. So ingress to the domain name. So once you click the tech world with harivith.com, it will open the website and you deployed a number of applications. You deployed the number of applications with the tech world with Hari. So once you click it directly comes to the domain, and so in the dash it will be showing something like a deals, products, cart, payment API, and tracking. Whenever you click, right, it will go to that service. So we can use in the Kubernetes cluster. We can deploy a number of services, and so by using the ingress we can so by using the ingress we can route the uh, services. We can route the services.